Enjoy an ice-cold draft beer at home with the best Kegerators designed for convenience and freshness. A quality Kegerator keeps beer at the perfect temperature, preserving flavor and carbonation for every pour. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best Kegerators you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Kegco HBK39S-2 Kegerator is a versatile, high-performance draft beer dispenser designed for home brewers and beer lovers. With a spacious interior, it can hold 1 full-size keg, 1 pony keg, 1 slim quarter keg, 2 6th-barrel kegs, or 3 5-gallon Cornelius ball lock kegs. The wide temperature range of 32 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit allows it to function as a kegerator, fermentation chamber, or beverage cooler, providing flexibility for any setup. Equipped with a digital LED display and precise controls, adjusting the temperature is effortless. Simply press a button to fine-tune the settings in Fahrenheit or Celsius. The reversible stainless steel door, removable guard rail, and built-in drip tray make maintenance simple, while the unit's sleek design blends seamlessly into any space. The HBK39S-2 includes a complete draft system, featuring a keg dispenser, gas and beer lines, ACO2 tank, and a dual-gauge regulator for hassle-free setup. Running on 115 volts with just 1.7 running amps, it is energy efficient. For optimal performance, 3 inches of clearance on all sides is recommended, and it is designed for indoor use only. The Komos Olympus 2 Kegerator is a commercial-grade draft system designed for durability, efficiency, and sleek presentation. Whether placed in a professional taproom or a home bar, its stainless steel construction, double-pane swinging glass doors, and recessed drip tray with a built-in drain make it an exceptional centerpiece. Equipped with an easy-to-use digital thermostat, this Kegerator allows precise temperature control to keep beverages perfectly chilled. The commercial-grade compressor utilizes R290 refrigerant, ensuring efficient cooling with front and side ventilation. The interior stainless steel design includes rubber-coated, height-adjustable shelves for flexible storage, while a rubber floor mat adds stability for kegs. Interior lighting, controlled externally, enhances visibility, and a lock and key system secures your beverages. Designed to pair with a standard 3-inch draft tower or the Komos Quad Tap Tower kits, the Olympus 2 does not include a plug for the tower hole. It also requires a CO2 regulator, draft lines, and tower to complete the setup. Heavy-duty rolling casters ensure easy mobility, making repositioning effortless. The Vevor beer Kegerator is built to deliver perfectly chilled beer with ease and efficiency. Its auto-defrosting system ensures consistent performance, while the extended 9.8-foot beer hose helps regulate foam, bringing out the best flavor in every pour. With an adjustable temperature range from 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, you can customize the cooling level to suit your beer preference. This spacious and versatile Kegerator accommodates a variety of keg sizes, including US standard full-size, quarter, and 6th barrels. The external CO2 tank bracket frees up interior space, while 2 additional shelves transform it into a full-function refrigerator when needed. Even in a power outage, the unit automatically restores the previously set temperature, keeping your beer consistently cold. Designed for convenience and mobility, the Kegerator features 4 wheels, with the front 2 locking for stability. A stainless steel guardrail adds safety, while the removable drip tray keeps the area clean. Its sleek, durable design makes it perfect for home bars, parties, or game nights, ensuring fresh, ice-cold beer on demand. The Ivation full-size Kegerator delivers ice-cold draft beer straight from the tap, offering a premium at-home beverage experience. This freestanding keg refrigerator accommodates various keg sizes, including a full-size half barrel, 1/2, pony keg, 1/4, slim pony keg, 1/4, 2/6 barrels, 1/6, or 2 Cornelius homebrew kegs, allowing you to serve up to 2 beer types simultaneously. At the heart of this system is a stunning dual-tap chrome tower with a sleek 3-inch dispenser, 2 faucet tap, and a removable drip tray to keep your space clean. The 15-inch high tower provides enough clearance for various glass types, ensuring an effortless pour every time. Powered by a fast and efficient refrigeration system, this Kegerator maintains an icy 34 degrees Fahrenheit temperature with a 7-level control knob, keeping beer crisp and foamy-free while preserving its perfect carbonation and flavor. Designed for versatility, the unit easily converts into a beverage cooler when not in use for beer. 2 height-adjustable shelves, 5 built-in shelf slots, and a reversible door make it ideal for storing wine, soda, or water bottles. Smooth, rolling caster wheels provide effortless mobility, while automatic defrost and FDA food-safe components ensure easy maintenance. The Homecraft BK49BS Kegerator is a spacious and stylish beer dispenser designed for home bars, man caves, garages, and social gatherings. With a 4.9 cubic foot capacity, it accommodates 1/6, 1/4, short and slim, and full-size 1/2 barrels, making it perfect for everything from intimate get-togethers to large parties. Its black stainless steel door offers a sleek, modern look, while the hardtop pouring station, black tap tower, and chrome guardrail add to its refined aesthetic. A removable drip tray ensures easy cleanup, while 2 adjustable wire shelves provide additional storage for canned or bottled beverages when not in use as a kegerator. Equipped with a powerful cooling system, this unit features a 7-setting adjustable thermostat capable of reaching 32 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your beer stays ice cold. The recessed door handle and insulated rubber gasket improve efficiency by keeping the cold in and heat out. For effortless mobility, 4 caster wheels allow easy transport, while front-locking wheels secure the unit in place. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.